Hi guys! Nakita niyo na ba tong video ni Kong TV and then ni Sir Gabin? Grabe guys, naiyak talaga ako guys as in. Parang ang ganda lang ng moment na to para sa kanilang dalawa. Like, you will never know talaga kung when ka makakapag-influence ng tao. And I know Sir Kong also didn't expect that much na gano'n na pala yung influence na nabibigay niya sa mga tao. That results to Sir Gabin na i-pursue yung pagvo-vlog and knowing that he will meet uh, his influencer by heart through destiny. Parang nakaka-amaze lang. And grabe tong mga tao na to because they really pursue their hard work and kitang-kita naman na very successful sila sa mga craft nila. What they do is not easy, but with the full wisdom that they know in their hearts is na-fulfill talaga nila partly yung mga dreams nila. I know Sir Kong also was very filled ng motivation na ma-meet niya si Sir Gavin kasi iba rin yung na-experience mo na parang tank siya ng motivation na meron ka palang na-influence sa tao in a good way or in a positive way. And also shout out to Ma'am V Cortez. Iba talaga ang mga babae sa buhay ng mga successful na mga tao. They are really the one who is fueling also their partners para maging successful pa. And 'di ba, kung hindi si Ma'am V Cortez nag-invite kay Sir Gavin, is hindi 'to mangyayari. And I know na grabe yung purpose ni Lord and wala lang, masaya lang akong tingnan yung ganitong parang moment na na-share nila. And I know millions of people also would like na maging ganito yung buhay. And I hope Sir Kong TV, Sir Gabin, Ma'am V, and to all the influencers na sana gumawa pa kayo ng content wherein makakapag-motivate kayo ng mga tao, especially dito sa Pilipinas. And also, continue to be a positive influencer and also a simple influencer with humility. Yun siya. And congrats sa inyong dalawa. Congrats sa mga success nyo. God bless, God bless. Salamat sa pag-inspire sa amin ng mga viewers and also sa mga taong tumitingin sa inyo. You are really a positive motivation, especially these days na ang hirap ng buhay. I know may mga kabataan, may mga young people, may mga young professionals also that they want to pursue their dreams but they don't know how. But watching your vlogs, watching your TikTok videos, watching your YouTube videos, is marami kayo na-inspire na tao. Kudos po! Yun lang, share ko lang siya. Positive vibe eh. Follow for more videos. Charis!